विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. आज आपण फंड फ्लो स्टेटमेंटचा दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम पाहत आहोत. कालच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आलेला प्रश्नसुद्धा आपण सॉल्व केलेला आहे. ओके, त्याच धर्तीवरचा आजचासुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम आहे की ज्या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हिजन फॉर टॅक्स हे काय दिलेलं आहे, करंट लॅबिलिटी म्हणून आपल्याला घ्यायचं आहे. की त्याचं कारण तुम्हाला मी मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे. मागे प्रॉब्लेम तुमचा आलेला हा उद्भवलेला प्रश्न सोडवलेला आहे. तर आजच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय हो, सेम 2 वर्षाच्या काय दिलेल्या आहेत बॅलन्स शीट 2015 आणि 2016. काय म्हणते, द बॅलन्स शीट्स ऑफ ABC अँड कंपनी सी लिमिटेड. ओके, ॲज ॲट द एंड ऑफ 2015 अँड 2016 आर गिवन बिलो. ओके, ठीक आहे. याच्या आधारे काय करायचं आहे, आता हे दोन तफावती लक्षात घ्यायच्या. 15ला किती होतं आणि 16ला किती होतं. शेअर कॅपिटल 15ला 1 लाख आणि 16ला 1,50,000 रुपये. ओके, म्हणजे 50,000ने आपण काय केलेत, इश्यू ऑफ शेअर. लक्षात घ्या, हे अगोदर इश्यू केलेलं आहे कितीने, या ठिकाणी 50,000च. राईट. सेकंड आहे शेअर प्रीमियम. शेअर प्रीमियम 2015मध्ये नाही, 2016मध्ये आहे, म्हणजे प्रीमियम या ठिकाणी ॲड केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट बघा, जनरल रिझर्व. जनरल रिझर्व किती येतो, 50,000 आणि 60,000. म्हणजे इथंसुद्धा काय केलेलं आहे, वाढवलेले आहे. ट्रान्सफर ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, ट्रान्सफर टू जनरल रिझर्व. राईट. त्यानंतर आहे प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. हे आपल्याला कशाला, ॲडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट काढण्यासाठी, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस ॲडजस्टेड अकाउंट काढते वेळेस हे दोन बॅलन्सचा उपयोग होतो, ओपनिंग अँड क्लोजिंग. नेक्स्ट आहे डिबेंचर्स. डिबेंचर्स बघा 70,000 होते आणि 50,000 झाले. म्हणजे काय झालं, रिडेम्पशन. काय झालं, रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर. कितीने झाले बघा, 20,000. रिडम्पशन म्हणजे काय, परत देणे. ओके. नेक्स्ट प्रोव्हिजन फॉर डेप्रिशिएशन ऑन प्लांट. प्लांटवर डेप्रिशिएशन काढण्यासाठी आपण प्रोव्हिजन केली होती 50,000. पुन्हा झाली 56,000. म्हणजे तिथं 6,000चं डेप्रिशिएशन प्रोव्हिजन वाढलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर बघा प्रोव्हिजन फॉर डेप्रिशिएशन ऑन फर्निचर. या ठिकाणीसुद्धा 5,000 आणि 6,000. याच ठिकाणीसुद्धा पुन्हा 1,000नं डेप्रिशिएशन वाढलेलं आहे. नेक्स्ट काय हो, प्रोव्हिजन फॉर टॅक्सेशन. हे तर काय आहे, या ठिकाणी खाली कुठलीही ॲडजस्टमेंट दिलेली नसेल तर प्रोव्हिजन फॉर डेप्रिशिएशन कुठं जातं, ॲज अ करंट लॅबिलिटी येतं. आणि जर खाली दिलं असेल की ड्युरिंग द इयर टॅक्स वॉज पेड समथिंग काहीतरी अमाऊंट दिली असेल तर त्यावेळेस याला आपण नॉन करंट लॅबिलिटी गृहीत धरलं जातं. मग त्यानंतर काय हो, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स, दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ करंट लॅबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट अँड द असेट साईड, फ्री होल्ड लँड, both sides are equal, that 1 lakh and 1 lakh in 2015 and as well as 2016. So there is no increase and decrease in the value of freehold land, means it's same. Plant for 1,04,000 and 1 lakh, there is a decrease in plant, so it's sold. Right. Next furniture at cost 7,000 and 9,000, means here is a purchase of furniture of rupees 2,000. Next investment 60,000, 80,000, 20,000 investment is increased, means it is a purchase of investment. Okay. Next डेटर्स काय 30,000 आणि 70,000, म्हणजे 40,000चे डेटर्स वाढलेले आहेत. म्हणजे आता हे काय, डेटर्स, स्टॉक अँड कॅश, दीज आर दी आवर करंट असेट्स. म्हणून या ठिकाणी काय, दोन्ही बाजू समान झालेल्या आहेत. आता बघा खाली आपल्याला दिलेल्या ॲडजस्टमेंट आपण व्यवस्थित बघून घेऊया, म्हणजे जेमतेम, कारण या ठिकाणी नंबर्स नाही दिल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी आपण नंबर देऊया. एक नंबर काय आहे, एक ओळखू येण्यासाठी आपण नंबर देऊन ठेवूया, म्हणजे तुम्हालासुद्धा तुमच्याकडील प्रॉब्लेममध्ये करता येतील. हा एक नंबर आहे. अ प्लांट परचेस्ड फॉर ₹4,000, डेप्रिशिएशन 2,000, वॉज सोल्ड फॉर ₹800. ओके, इथंपर्यंतचं एक झालं. या ठिकाणी 2 नंबरची ॲडजस्टमेंट आहे. काय सांगते, ओके, एक नंबरची अगोदर समजून घेऊया. अ प्लांट परचेस्ड फॉर ₹4,000, डेप्रिशिएशन 2,000, वॉज सोल्ड फॉर ₹800. आता हे बघा प्लांट किती आहे हो, 1,04,000. ह्याची 4,000ची पुन्हा किती झाली, 1 लाख. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय सांगितलं की 4,000ला जी खरेदी केलेली होती, ही जी 1,04,000 अगाऊची आहेत ती, मग 4,000ला होती त्याच्यावर डेप्रिशिएशन किती काढलेलं आहे, 2,000 डेप्रिशिएशन काढलेलं आहे. ओके. मग जी शिल्लक किती राहिले, मग 4,000तून डेप्रिशिएशन 2 गेले, राहिले किती मग 2,000. ही 2,000ची लँड कितीला विकली हो, प्लॅन्ट कितीला विकलं, 800ला विकलं. मग लॉस कितीचा झाला, 1,200 रुपयाचा झाला. हा 1,200 रुपयाचा लॉस आणि हे जे काही मिळालेली रक्कम आहे ही आपल्याला कुठं घ्यायची ते आपल्याला पुढे लक्षात येईल. या ठिकाणी काय आहे की हे झालं ॲडजस्टमेंट नंबर 2 बघा. ऑन June 30th, 2015 an atom of furniture was purchased for ₹2,000. फर्निचर परचेस केलेलं आहे जूनच्या 30 तारखेला. ओके. बघा इथं फर्निचर आहे का, फर्निचर हे बघा 2,000चं खरेदी केले, 7,000 आणि 2,000 आपल्याला तिथं लिहायचे आहेत. ओके. नेक्स्ट काय आहे, दीज वेअर द ओनली ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स कन्सर्निंग फिक्स्ड ॲसेट्स ड्युरिंग 2015. 2000मधील हे एवढेच फिक्स्ड ॲसेटचे काय आहेत ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स आहेत असं सांगितलेलं आहे, जे की ॲडजस्टमेंटमध्ये आहेत. ओके. अ डिव्हिडंड ऑफ 12.1.5. ओके. 22.1.5%. आता हे किती झाले हो, हे किती आहे, निम्मे आहेत. म्हणजे त्याला आपण सरळ भाषेमध्ये काय सांगतो तो 22.5%, म्हणजे 22.5% आपल्याला काय देतं आहे, डिव्हिडंड पेड ऑन द ओरिजिनल शेअर वॉज पेड. ओरिजिनल शेअर्स म्हणजे सुरुवातीचे. हे बघा शेअर कॅपिटल कुठं आहे, इथं आहे. शेअर कॅपिटल सुरुवातीला किती होते 15मध्ये 1 लाख, म्हणजे 22.5% डेप्रिशिएशन कितीवर द्यायचे आपल्याला, डिव्हिडंड कितीवर द्यायचं आहे, 1 लाखावर द्यायचं आहे. 1,50,000वर द्यायचं नाही. ओके. नेक्स्ट काय म्हणते, यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेअर फंड फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. ओके. ठीक आहे. या प्रकारे आपल्याकडं प्रॉब्लेम आहे. आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल की या ठिकाणी आपल्याला या सर्व प्रॉब्लेम या पद्धतीने सोडवावा लागेल. ओके. ठीक आहे. आपण या ठिकाणी काय करूया, एक कॅल्क्युलेट करू. सर्वात अगोदर आपल्याला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे, कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ चेंजेस इन वर्किंग कॅपिटल. ओके. चलो लेट्स मेक अ प्रोफार्मा. या ठिकाणी प्रोफार्मा बनवून घेऊ. ओके. फॉर्मॅट जे काही आहे इन्क्रीज डिक्रीज 2016 2015 asset and liabilities. ओके. या ठिकाणी ए काय हो, करंट ॲसेट, करंट ॲसेट्स. ओके. इथं काय आहे 2015 2016 इन्क्रीज डिक्रीज, राईट. हां. वर्किंग कॅपिटल स्टेटमेंट. ओके. मग या ठिकाणी बघा करंट ॲसेट कोणते आहेत आपल्याकडे, करंट ॲसेट आहेत हे 3. कोणते आहेत, डेटर्स, स्टॉक अँड कॅश. आपण लिहून घेऊ. डेटर्स, स्टॉक अँड कॅश. चला डेटर्स किती आहेत, 30,000 आणि 70,000. हे 30,000 70,000. स्टॉक आहे 60,000 65,000. 60,000 आणि 65,000. ओके. नेक्स्ट कॅश आहे 30,000 45,000. 30,000 आणि 45,000. आता इन्क्रीज आहे का डिक्रीज आहे, याला आपण काय करूया, टोटल करंट ॲसेट. ओके. टोटल करंट ॲसेट्स यांची बेरीज टोटल आहे 1,20,000. 1,20,000 आणि इकडची बेरीज आहे टोटल 1,80,000. 1,80,000. ओके. तर आता आपल्याला बघायचं आहे इन्क्रीज आहे का डिक्रीज आहे. डेटर्स करंट ॲसेट्स ज्यावेळेस वाढतात त्यावेळेस काय होतं, वर्किंग कॅपिटल सुद्धा वाढतं. म्हणजेच वेन द करंट असेट्स आर इन्क्रीज द वर्किंग कॅपिटल ऑल्सो इन्क्रीज. देन look at this, the debtor has been increased by 40,000 rupees. 30,000 was in 2015 and now in 2016 it is 70,000, means increase in working capital of rupees 40,000. And next, stock is also same, 5,000 increase, and it is also increase in the working capital. So cash 15,000 increase in working capital. Okay, next, after this there is a B, section B. Let us see what is that. Is current liabilities. Current liabilities. What are the current liabilities are there? There are only two current liabilities. Those are sundry creditors and provision for tax, right? As you know that now there is no such kind of adjustment regarding provision for tax, or there is nothing has been mentioned that whether the company ABC company has paid tax during the year or not. That's why we treat the provision for tax as a current liability. Okay, so current liability. Okay, what are sundry credits? Are 86,000 and 95,000. 86,000 and 95,000. Okay, provision for tax 20,000, 30,000, 20,000, 30,000. Okay, let's see what happened. Increase or decrease? It's all are decrease, because the liability, when the liabilities increase, the working capital decreases. Then 9,000 decrease in creditors and 10,000 decrease in provision for tax. Then what's the total of current liability here? What is it? Total current liability. Total current liability is, okay, 1,06,000. 1,06,000 and 1,25,000. 1,25,000. Okay, we got it. So now working capital. What is it? Working capital, that is A minus B. What is A? A is current assets, B is current liabilities. So what is A minus B? 1,20,000 minus here 1,20,000 minus 1,06,000. How many remains? Is only 14,000. How many? It's 14,000. And the same is regarding 2016, that 1,80,000 minus 1,25,000. How many remain? Remaining amount is 55,000. It is the working capital during both years. So to finding out increase and decrease in the working capital, we also used to do two things, that from the data or from the figures we got from the working capital, we deduct from the higher amount into the smaller, that which years is a higher figure, that is 2016. How many? 55,000. 55,000 in 2016, and the same amount must be in 2015. So increase in working capital. How much? Here it doesn't need anything. Here it needs 41,000. 41,000. Are you getting me? If this figure comes more, means 2015 gets a higher figure than the 2016, it means the balance needs in 2016, so it calls decrease. When the balance comes into next year, their current year, it called decrease in current asset. Okay, let's go. This is what we got from here. Working increase in working capital is 41,000. Where it will be used? It will be used in fund flow statement and the side of application that increase in working capital. Okay, let's go for the next one. To finding out other things, we need to write. Okay let us see what is the profit and loss adjusted account. Profit and loss adjusted account. Okay, look at this. Profit and loss adjusted account. Let us take it quite bigger, then we can reduce it. Okay, this is a credit side and this is a debit side. Let's give names to both of these. It is particulars amount amount. Okay, let's see what appears in these things is. Let's go to our problem in adjustment, that there is one thing is sale of plant and there is one thing is also depreciation. How many times depreciation has been appeared? Let's calculate here. Depreciation, what is depreciation? Provision for depreciation, or the current year how much depreciation we have paid or allowed. That 6,000. Okay, where is 6,000? Here, look at the provision for depreciation on plant. How much? 50,000 and 56,000 means 6,000 in this current year. And then and this very next, what is provision for depreciation on furniture is 5,000 and 6,000. It appears a 1,000 increase in the depreciation. So how much this is? This is a 7,000 of depreciation. Now find out, there is a one thing that we have sold. Why? We have sold a plant of rupees 4,000 and the depreciation was on that was rupees 2,000. Means in the during the year we have made a depreciation of 7 plus 2 9,000. Okay, have we got this? Yeah, I think so. Let me once again calculate the depreciation, that your confusion will be less. 6,000, this figure has been derived from provision for depreciation on plant, 50,000 and 56,000. The difference between 50,000 and 56,000, in the 2015 we had 50,000 depreciation and now in 2016 we are going to depreciate by 56,000. Means in the current year we have depreciated the asset plant by 6,000. Okay, this 6,000. And very next, what is there? The provision for depreciation on furniture, that is 5,000 in 2015 and 6,000 in 2016. So the difference between these two is increase or decrease? It's increased. Increased means you have charged depreciation in current year, that is 1,000. So this also appears. And then what is the total amount is 6,000 plus 1,000 is 7,000. Okay, and from where this 2000 came? Yeah, here in the first adjustment, a plant purchased for rupees 4000, in bracket what is the depreciation of rupees 2000. That depreciation appears in the current year because what's sold in cash, we sold it and we have depreciated it. So how much? It's about 9000 depreciation has been charged during the plant or all the things, okay, this year. So first to depreciation, to depre sorry depreciation, how much appears? 9000 to depreciation, 9000. Okay, then what we just read that we had bought a plant, like I said, a plant was purchased for 4000 and another. Okay, this is for depreciation, which is useful for you in, I will write here. What is this? This all things are, this calculation is for depreciation. Okay, which will be useful for you in the notes form. Okay, now what is this? Now we are calculating plant sale of plant. It is a better sentence. Sale of plant. How much we have sold? We have sold 4000 in the, basically we have sold 4000 plant, but depreciation was charged 2000. Then how much was remain? Only 2000 plant was sold. Actual sold how much? Actual sold 2000. Out of this we have got only 800 rupees. How much the price of selling the plant is? 800 rupees. Then there is a loss. Loss is for 1200 rupees is a loss. So what do we write? Okay, very next, after depreciation, loss on sale of plant. How much? 1200. Look at this, what happened here, everything is here. Okay, 1200. Okay, loss on sale of plant. Next, what happened? There is a general reserve. If you see general reserve in the side, what happened to general reserve? It was a 50,000 in 2015, but now it's a 60,000. Means you have transferred some amount of your profit to general reserve. So here is a transfer to general reserve. How much? 10,000. Okay, rupees 10,000 has been transferred to general reserve. Next, what is? We have to pay dividend or dividend. Okay, dividend on original price. We have already discussed, that is 1 lakh into 22.5%. How much appears? 22,500. Okay, and then lastly, to balance. Here the balance is closing balance. Which balance? Always remember, in the debit side we use closing balance, that is 17,000. How much it is? 17,000 closing balance. Let us see, we can say carry forward over here for better understanding. Closing balance of profit and loss account. How much it appears? 117,000. Okay, right, here we will close it and goes to the next side of adjusted account. What happens here? The balance, nothing we have received. Sorry, balance brought down the opening balance. How much? 10,000 was the opening balance. So the total is, look the total once again, total is 59,700. How much? 59,700. It must be same in both side, 59,700. And look at the what we got by fund from operation. Fund from operation is 49,700. How much? 49,700. Let's recap. Okay, recapping the profit and loss adjusted account. That is, first item is depreciation. How we got the depreciation? Depreciation has been got with this example, that 6,000 plus 1,000, 7,000 plus 2,000 equals 9,000 depreciation, and the sale of plant is 1,200 rupees is loss. Okay, and transfer to general reserve and dividend. Okay, and then the credit side there is nothing. We have received nothing during the both the years, so only balance of the opening balance and the fund from operation. Okay, let's close the adjusted profit and loss account, and now we are going to prepare fund flow statement, our main statement, fund flow statement. Okay, here is the fund flow statement. Okay, sources of fund and application of fund. Okay, here are the sources of fund. Let us write sources and application. This is amount, this is also amount. Okay, let us write out the side. Very first item of the fund flow statement is always fund from operation. Yes, how much? It is about 49,700. Okay, and next we sold the plant, at the first adjustment. How much we got? Sale of plant. How much we got? We got only rupees 800. And what happened again? Let us go. What about the shares and something else? Yeah, share capital is about, look at here, share capital is 50,000 increased, and 50,000 increased, and there are a share premium of rupees 5,000. Look here, I am going to write here, we will combine, issue of shares. Okay, there are three types. Share can be issued by three way, that at par, okay, at discount, and at premium. Okay, in the latest 2013 act there are some restrictions regarding issue of shares and discount, but whether we need to know about it. There are three types by which shares can be issued. Okay, in this example, the shares has been issued on the premium, that 50,000 shares has been issued at 5000 premium. Means whenever we are writing as, look at there in the fund flow statement, that issue of shares, issue of equity capital, we must, here in bracket, for better understanding I am giving the amount in the bracket, that is 50,000 plus premium. What? 50,000 plus premium of rupees 5,000 goes to 55,000. Okay, means the issue of share includes premium. Okay, in the fund flow statement we used to write both things at once. Okay, next, is there anything else happen? Nothing else. So on the credit side or the application side, let's go with the balance sheet first. What are the amounts has been changed? Okay, yeah, let's see. Freehold property same, plant has been taken, what is this? Furniture increased. What happened? There is an adjustment. Look at this, there is an adjustment, there is only, okay, the second adjustment I am going to say, the purchase of furniture of rupees, yes, purchase of furniture of rupees 2,000. There is a purchase of furniture. Okay, we will write a purchase in the application side. Then investment, how much? 60,000 and 80,000, means purchase of investment also there for 20,000. And anything else? Nothing else. Chalo, let's go to our fund flow statement. Here purchase of what we have purchased? Furniture. How many rupees? 2,000. Next, purchase of investment. How much? 20,000. 60,000 and my 80,000 means how much increased? 20,000 means 20,000 is the purchase of investment. And next, there is an increase in working capital. We must not forget that. No, increase in working capital. How much increase in working capital? 41,000. Let's go. And we have dividend to be paid. Okay, dividend paid. How much paid? We have paid 22,500 as a 22.5%. Is there any liability which has been write off, or the redemption of share is there? Yes, there is a redemption in debenture itself. That's 70,000 and 50,000 as we have already discussed in the starting moments. Okay, redemption of debenture. How much? Redemption of debenture is about 20,000. 70,000 to 50,000 means how much? 20,000. Okay, is there anything else? Nothing. Okay, so make it, close the fund flow statement and find the total. 1,05,500. 1,05,500. Here also it must be 1,05,500. Okay, 22, 2000, and then 41,000, then 20,000 and 22,500. Okay, how much? 3 this 500, this 500. Okay, it's a tally. That's all. So anybody has any confusion can also ask me in the evening, and I will give a reply. If possible, a small correction is there, then I will give you on WhatsApp itself. If it is long and needs the video, then I will make a video also. Okay, thank you and study well.